Hello guys, welcome back. So this is another video where we discuss the GATE previous year questions on network theory, and here we have another question from GATE EC 2020. So for the given circuit, which one of the following is the correct state equation? So state equation you might learn in control system, but the question it is clear if you even have the knowledge of network theory, it is clear what they are asking. So here they have given the circuit, and if you see the options, you have like d by dt of V and I is equal to some relation between V and I1 and I2. So finally you want to express dV by dt as some function of Vi and I1 and I2. So V and I are nothing but the voltage across the capacitor and the current in the inductor respectively, and I1 I2 are your independent current sources. Okay, similarly you also want your di by dt in terms of Vi and I1 and I2. So this can be a different functions. Okay, and they are all linearly related if you see. Okay, so let us start by finding this. Again, to solve this, what you need to know, you need to get dV by dt and di by dt. So for a capacitor, if you know, your C dVc by dt is equal to your IC. And in this case, if you see, your Vc is equal to V. So your dV by dt is equal to your current flowing in the capacitor divided by C. So this is your current IC. Similarly, for the inductor case, if you take, you have L dIL by dt is equal to VL. Right, VL is nothing but this is VL, and here IL is equal to I. So di by dt is equal to VL by L. So now we need to find IC and VL. So first let us try to find IC. Okay, so this is IC, and if you notice here I2 current is coming, and the voltage across this resistor also is V. So the current flowing here is V by 1 ohm, which is equal to V itself. So I2 is coming, V is going here. What will be the remaining current? It will be I2 minus V, right? And from this direction, what is the current coming? I is coming. So together, what will be the current flowing? Your IC will be I plus I2 minus V. And you have dV by dt is equal to IC by C. Your C is 0.25. So IC by 0.25, which is 4 times IC, which is nothing but 4I plus 4I2 minus 4V. So if you go back to our state equations, you have VI, then I1, I2. So if you rearrange this, you will get dV by dt is equal to minus 4V plus 4I plus 0I1 plus 4I2. So you have minus 4, 4, 0 and 4. So minus 4, 4, 0 and 4. So the first option matches. Minus 4, 4. This is not the answer. Again, here you have minus 4, minus 4. Again, this is not the answer. Here you have 4. So this is not the answer. So from here only you can say that option A is the correct answer. But let us go ahead and also find di by dt. Okay. So this is again very easy to find. So what is di by dt? For the inductor, we said di by dt is equal to VL by L, right? And this is my VL. So here I1 current is coming. How much is the current flowing through this? I is flowing here. So this current should be I1 minus I, right? And what will be the voltage V1 here? This I'm trying to find V1 minus V2. So VL is equal to V1 minus V2. V2 we already know, which is equal to V. So V1 minus V. And V1 is nothing but I1 minus I into 2 ohms, right? So it is 2I1 minus 2I. So your VL is equal to 2I1 minus 2I minus V. So now let us put it back here. And here L is equal to 0.5. So this is equal to 2VL. So your di by dt is equal to 2 into 2I1 minus 2I minus V, which is equal to 4I1 minus 4I minus 2V. So if you rearrange, what will you get? So minus 2V minus 4I plus 4I1 minus 0I2. So let us cross check. We have minus 2, minus 4, 4 and 0. We can also as well write plus 0. So minus 2, minus 4 and 0, right? So this is what we got. So this is how you will verify. Okay.